Hey guys. Oh, we're almost there.
I don't know what time.
I'm recording for BT right now because I gotta record this
You gotta do my intro.
Oh.
What's up, guys?
Hey guys, it's BT. This is his channel. And, oh, it's Native here. And this is his channel and we are currently...
You know that one video? Yeah, that's me.
That's Cactus, I guess.
This is day one Unity.
Yeah.
But we're not there yet.
We just made it to, I mean, we haven't made it yet. I mean, technically we made it, but...
It's our flight yet.
Oh.
I'm tired of this channel now.
My eyelid, my eyelid is like... There's like something sticky on it and it keeps like getting stuck to the top.
Alright.
Oh, okay.
What's up, guys? We made it. Today we're here. I don't know how to turn the camera around. Right here, this is where I battle Cactus Evan and Ghost.
Wait. That's me. This is where I want. Hey, man.
This is where I had to show him my skills. Hey, watch that video again. Give it 2 likes. What's up, guys? We made it. We're here, Washington. Look at that. It's kind of dirty in here. We just made it on the metro.
Hey.
Going. Let's see. Look at that. Let's go. I'm back. Apparently, it's gonna take about 40 minutes. It's gonna be like 40 minutes. 40. That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying, man? You know, we're out here in DC, trying to looking for Biden. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're looking for Biden.
I feel like the Beatles walking across like this.
Yeah. We're on the bus. We're on the bus right now. Our Brooks. Made it. We're here. Woo! We made it. Unity about to start. Unity 2023 about to start. Yo, what's up, guys? We made it. We made it here. We're at the place. A lot of people here. A lot of natives. We're about to check into our rooms. Yeah. What's up, guys? Native here. We're in our room.
Hey,
y'all get on my video.
Hey, this is the king. The king is sweet. King is sweet. You know what I'm saying?
Tiny back. Yeah.
Tony Black.
Oh, that looks cool. Yeah. Yo, look, that. This is my new home.
You know, Shiloh. He made some good shoes. You see? He used to be my dog and jump off.
You think I can survive?
My shaggy dog.
We're back. We're going to the museum for the welcoming ceremony.
Get my fit. Hey, if you got a boyfriend, I might take him.
He means it too. I seen him do it.
Let me hit that.
All right, we'll see ya. Boy, what the? Look at that, bro. She's trying to steal. She's trying to steal my ideas. That's messed up. All right, I'll see y'all there. Peace. Yo, what's up?
Y'all go subscribe.
Yeah, go subscribe to me right now. This is day one. I'm gonna get the video out tomorrow. I'm gonna be up all night.
Hey, tell them about my album coming out.
What are you doing?
That was one of my fans that just asked me what I'm doing. We're heading to the banquet right now. I'll see y'all. I mean, not the banquet, to the museum. We don't even know where we're going. We just be walking. So I'm back. We're heading to the museum right now. We gotta take the bus. I've never taken the bus before. I'm kind of scared. I'm really scared, to be honest. I'm very scared. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. I'm scared. Look at that. Hey, what the? Some random person just sat by me. Some random person just sat by me. That's crazy.
He's not going to arrest me. Do you know why I'm going on this bus? Alright? You say you're going to arrest me? You don't want to do that, bro. Tennessee.
What's up, guys? We're back. We almost got jumped by a crackhead just now. Not even playing. Real life NPC. He started showing us his cards and all that, saying he was from different places. It was kind of weird. They say my boy Sean back here almost pulled out the he almost did. And I would have got a few stomps in there too, to be honest. That dude was crazy. He's talking about how he's missing a jaw. I thought he about to give us drugs. I don't know what was wrong with him. He took our ride too. We missed the main event today, basically. The ceremony at the museum. Way too long, man. That dude. Oh yeah. Bus even skipped us. They were going by and they just looked at us and just drove away. Crazy that first day. Washington DC.
Well, this is the day in the life. We're walking right now. It's in our curfew. We're supposed to be in our room at 11. This is the vlog, by the way. We're taking over right now because we're too good. Do you have anything you want to say?
Subscribe. Hit that like button.
We was twinning today.
Oh, yeah, we was. But we can't. We'll show you this tomorrow.
Oh.
Tell us if y'all want a day in a week for unity, or just a day. You know what I mean?
I mean, yeah.
Tell them what we're doing tomorrow.
Well,
Tomorrow we have to be ready by 9, and we suck at being on time. Good night. We suck at being on time, so we gotta wake up at 7 in the morning.
oh yeah, we're supposed to be in our.
And this is Evan.
This is Evan.
You guys found me. Making a video on how to scare away girls. Look, it's our first one right here.
You playing like that? Yeah. We'll see y'all. I'm gonna do one every day, every single day of the week. And I'm gonna try to upload them every single day. Peace.
I can't bet. Then people will get weird.
They can go all the way.
Maybe I can take my pictures with you.
No, see drugs.
Chill out, bro. Chill out.
You
just got caught.
It keeps tilting.
Is there any more? Not to be a big girl, you know, because. Is there any more pizza left? Yeah.
Boy, you're running.
But there's too many people to be going there. They keep going sideways.
Oh, it does smell like pizza. Oh, I don't like that. Open the window.
I brought my clothes in here so I can shower.
Thank you, Mom.
This is where I'm gonna see with Evan.
Hey, get me on there.
What?
No cap.
No kissing.
Wizzy.
If you beat up that dude, that would've been awesome, man.
That would've been.
I would've got out the phone and started recording.
Alright, so press play. Then she starts talking again. I'm like, oh my goodness. I was getting frustrated.
Think that would look cool? That look dumb. Yeah, it's not going to video.